Fixing a garment using hand sewing basic. Turn the garment inside out. Use sewing straight pins to align and seal the hole. Choose a thread. My favorite brand is Gutermann. Use fabric scissors to cut the thread. My favorite brand is Fiskers. Choose a hand sewing needle and thread through, creating a single or double line. I chose double to make it stronger. Tie a knot at the end and cut. Insert the needle into the fabric and make small up and down stitches across the seam. At the end, stitch over and over a few times in the same spot to secure it and then cut the excess thread. Turn your garment right side out and enjoy your garment again.